software development with the help of Java, machine learning, AWS, all that. Today I'm going to discuss about how to integrate Copilot with Visual Studio Code and what is the introduction of what is the use of Copilot introduction, and then I'm going to discuss about the how to integrate and download the Visual Studio Code and add the plugins. Then we can discuss about how we can use the basic features. So let's first download the Visual Studio Code. If you have then you can go for the directly, otherwise you can download from their site, which is, and use this site to download. If I have already installed Visual Studio Code, so I can say I have already Visual Studio Code here. So as of now it's already installed. We can disable, and so if you will open the Visual Studio Code, go to this particular section which is regarding to plugin search. You can go and search here Copilot plugins. You can install. With the plugins it will install with chat also. Okay, after installing you can restart the VS Code. Okay, and after restarting, as I have, you go to, then after restart you will see the top there is an icon which is moreover for you to, it will show the GitHub Copilot icon which you can go and log into your application. So it will redirect to your page if you have already. I have one account which is called the everything is data is already there. By that account I can log in to the GitHub Copilot. It will allow some permission which you have. Okay, so this permission is required to run the GitHub Copilot, and it will open again your Visual Studio Code with the authentication. Okay, uh, if you will see here, it's showing login already. If you see here, this is the Copilot, and coming here you can see these are the login already. One is the chat, one is the Copilot extension. Okay, these two is there. So what you can do now, after that you can go to the top menu. There is the Copilot icon like that. Okay, whenever you click on this, then you will see the chat window like this. Okay, there is a chat window like this. Here you can specify what you want to do, like as you want to edit the code, you want to ask something which is related to your test, like I said, we can say write the. So now after this login, okay, if you are able to land on this chat page, then this means you are able to log in or successfully you're logging to the GitHub Copilot. By using this one, what you can do now, you can perform the chat. You can use any code. As of now, I have the read this CSV to a file. Okay, like that. I was trying to do something. So if I want to write any Python code, any code, Python or whatever language you prefer, so I can say write code for reading S3 files. So what it will do, it will take as a query and generate the code which it can be which you can read like that. Okay, so what it's doing, it's clearly mentioning all the steps, all the detail you can. But one major thing in any code generated by LLM models, copilots, all that, you are the responsible for reviewing the code and performing the basic authentication code review, so that code is, because all the LLMs work on the probabilities. Okay, so we need to first review, as I have taken this one, but I need to go through all my previous experience, the code is going to work as expected or not. If code is not working as expected, we should not take it. Okay, if we are thinking it's a good code which can be used, and then we can use that one. Okay, like I have written the one function which I reading the file, so for same I can write the test cases also. You can use the backslash commands, like the test is there, so I can execute the test case and it will execute my test case for this particular file, all that. Okay, so this way you can write the, I can say ask and write the command test cases, and the you can generate the code also. Okay, after that what you can do, like as if I will open the existing file. Okay, so it is writing like they use the means this is the Python testing framework. Okay, and then it's saying you can use the mock this clients like that. Okay, if you will see here, then these are the steps he's suggesting you can follow and generate the file, and the you can accept this file also. Okay, after that, if you want to, like I say, I want to see the explanation of this file. Okay, so what I can do, I can ask explain this file. So what it will do, it will explain me this file, what is this function is doing, all that. Okay, then if you call the write summary function, that argument is this one, all that. It will explain you, it will give the detail if it is a new for you. So those things you can do. After this, even after all this, what you can do, you can fix also. Like as you think is if there is any issue in my code, what you can ask, to your Copilot, sorry, chat window. You can write fix this. We can say fix the selected code. So what it will do, it will if it will as per Copilot, if it will find any issue, it will try to fix that. If it is saying it's not the issue, this is working fine as it is as expected, then it's fine. Otherwise, it will suggest you some fixes there. Okay. As of now, it's saying there is no fix. Look like 1 second. Okay, this suggested some path, directory path you can create first, then you can call it all that. Apart from this, it's saying moreover is the same as it is. It's not required much changes. So what you can do, this is very basic. I can say okay, and thank you if